cholesterol will help from freezing or melting of the plasma membrane. It will just hold the plasma membrane so that it cannot freeze when it's a minus temperature and it cannot melt when it's a very hot temperature. Anagha, now clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Everyone is done? Okay, now next, see, I will tell you about the very interesting thing here. Little bit of more details. See, I have told you the lipids are moving. Lipids move like this. See, this is the lipid, okay? They move like this. They shift from here to there. Maybe this lipid can shift. Maybe this lipid can shift. They can shift from here to there. They are just moving. And what is the frequency? 10 to the power 7 per minute. One lipid can move this much time, 10 to the power 7 in 1 minute. See how they can move so fast. And yes, proteins are also moving because proteins are part of the lipid. Yes, we can see the integral protein and the peripheral protein, but they are not moving with that speed. They are heavy, they are bulky, so they will move slowly, slowly, slowly. But lipid, the phospholipids, they are moving with the speed of 10 to the power 7. Now, another condition comes. Do all phospholipid flows moves here and there? Yes or no? All the phospholipids which are present, all phospholipids will flow here and there? Yes or no? What do you think? What do you think? All the phospholipids can flow? Yes or no? Okay, I will change my question. Do all phospholipids have ability of fluidity? Fluidity means to float. All the phospholipid have this ability? Yes or no? What do you think? What do you think? No one. Tell me, students, all the phospholipids have the ability to move? Alan, Greta, Farhan. Tell me the answer. Did you understand the point what I am trying to ask? I have shown you there are the huge amount of phospholipid in the plasma membrane. Okay. Now I am telling you all the phospholipids have ability to move here and there in the cell membrane. Okay. They can move here and there. 10 to the power 7. They can move. Even protein can also move, but with the very slow speed. Now I am asking, all the phospholipid in the particular plasma membrane have ability to move here and there? Priyadarshini is saying yes, Leena is saying yes, Siddharth is saying yes, Omehani is saying no. Okay, Greta, what do you think? Alan? Greta, Alan? All men?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay, why? Can you tell me why if you're saying no and why if you're saying yes? Have you heard the word saturated and unsaturated?
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
not ask. Okay, you have heard the word. Don't worry, I will not ask the details. Even I don't know. Saturated. Okay, now tell me, Alan, what is saturated? I have no idea. What are saturated and what are unsaturated?
Saturated means compounds having single bonded carbon atoms are single bonded.
Saturated or unsaturated?
Saturated.
Okay, means saturated, you are saying they will only have the single bonds. Okay, who will have the single bonds? Like this. What is a single bond mean?
Between the carbon atoms.
A carbon atoms, okay. Or can you say carboxylic group? Can you say the carboxylic group? Long carbon chain, fine. I will not confuse. It's a long carbon chain, okay? We will talk about the saturated and unsaturated, okay? Just listen very carefully. Unsaturated, sorry. I will make this diagram here. Long,
Ma'am, there are two bonds, right? Unsaturated.
wait, this is in journal I am telling you, okay? This is the saturated and unsaturated we are talking about. Why we are talking about this? Because the fluidity is depending on the saturation and the unsaturation. Saturated means no double bonds. They are stiff. They are hard. They cannot move. So their structure will be like this. This is the structure which are having the saturated structure, means no double bond. If they have the double bonds, they are the unsaturated. The structure will be like this. They can move from here and there. The fluidity depends on the saturated and the unsaturated, means how many double bonds they have. More the double bonds, more fluidity. No double bonds, only single bond means stiff. They cannot move here and there. But yes, they can move here and there easily in the plasma membrane. This is the unsaturated, saturated. Always remember, the more the double bonds, more unsaturation, more flexibility. Less double bonds or no double bonds, single bonds only, unsaturated, hard, stiff. They cannot move because they are stiff. This is the structure of stiffness. And this is the structure, means they are flowing. They can float. They have the double bonds. Clear? Any doubt in this? Sorry. Any doubt? Okay, fine. Now just write down the saturation and unsaturation regarding the plasma membrane. Okay, I'm not going in the chemistry here. Just write down here. Saturated means hard and stiff. If you want, you can make the diagram like this. This is the phospho, this is the lipid, and this is the phospholipid, also known as lecithin. Okay, they are tightly packed. Write it down quickly. They are tightly packed. They are tightly packed because of the saturation. No double bond, only single bond. This type of structure. Okay, everyone. Those who don't have the idea about saturation and unsaturation, just think they don't have any double bond in their carbon chain. Okay. One very interesting question. How many of you like chemistry? Very personal question. How many of you like chemistry? Okay, only one student like chemistry. And how many of you like physics? See, truly speaking, I don't like physics. I just hate physics. I always think why we study physics. I mean, why we have to take anything to the moon, anything to the Mars? Why? Why we have to study pendulum? Why we have to study like magnets? I don't know why. I never use those topics in my life. So, how many of you like physics? Be frank. You can tell me because you are preparing for NEET. Okay, no one likes physics. Is that so? Okay. How many of you like chemistry? Only one? No one? Okay. How many of you like studying? How many of you like to study? Of course, no one likes to study, right? Okay. Yes, ma'am. What is yes, ma'am? Yes. If it's bio, then yes. Okay, you like bio. Farhan, you like bio, right? Even I love bio. I did my whole life in the biology till the end. Physics only, astronomy. Very good, very good. Greta, what do you like? Physics, chemistry or bio?
I'm bio, ma'am.
Okay, and what about physics?
Physics I
The
hate,
same.
ma'am.
I never liked physics. You know, every time, even I took tuitions for the physics, and still that was dabba gold for me. Why physics? Every time when I go to physics tuition or physics class, it was like a big question mark for me. Why I'm doing this to me? But for the bio, yes, even chemistry, I also like chemistry. 70 to 75%, I love the chemistry. Even I love the maths also, but only 50%. Okay, only 50% to be very true. But yes, bio is my favorite subject. I can do anything for the bio. I like reading books, you know. Still I can read whole day. I know it's a very like you are thinking who can read whole day. But when you just stop your studies after your 12th, after your MBBS, when you go in the job, then you will realize this life was much better than the working life. Okay, now fine. Lots of enough of the idhar ki baatein. This is the hardened stuff. Stiff, sorry. This is the tightly packed. Next is they have the less movement. Of course, no double bond, no movement. So we are saying it's a less movement. This is the saturated ones. You can mark this small diagram also here, small structure, so that you will always remember there are no double bonds. So you can write it down. No double bonds. Okay, fine. Now it's the unsaturation. What is the unsaturation? They have the double bonds. They have the double bonds. So they are loosely packed. They are loosely packed. They are loosely packed. They have high fluidity. Highly fluidity. Or you can say high fluidity. Not highly. High fluidity. They have movement. They have movement. They have double bonds. They have double bonds. And you can make the diagram like this. So you can easily differentiate between the stiff and the loose ones. And just and also write it down the heading. The fluidity of the membrane depends on. The heading is fluidity of membrane. Membrane means plasma membrane or cell membrane. Depend on saturation and unsaturation. If they are saturated, the movement is very low, very less. Next to you can say no movement. And if they are unsaturated, they have high fluidity. Fluidity means the movement. They are moving here and there in the cell membrane. Trevor? Trevor? You just entered the class, right? See, I am recording this class. After the class get over and whenever you get time, just see the recording. Ask the Dr. Viromani or the Nawaz sir. They will give you the recording, okay? Just go to the recording. This was the very important class. We have discussed the whole cell membrane structure. Okay, Trigo. Okay, fine. And everyone done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Very good. Okay, now. So is there any confusion in the movement? Now you can imagine how the lipids are moving. They are the thick layer, the oil. Okay, oil are moving. They cannot be hard. They cannot be stiff. Like they cannot freeze. Okay. Yes, there is the structure, but that is the unsaturation. The movement is not available, but still they are not that frozen type hard. Okay, as compared to them, yes, they are hard and stiff. They cannot move from one place to another. Means if they are the unsaturated ones, sorry, if they are saturated ones, they will not move. They will stick to one place. And if the next one is saturated one, sorry, the next one is unsaturated one. So they can just move here and they can move anywhere like this. They are moving, but imagine the whole layer of phospholipid is moving here and there. So never think that there will be any space or any gap in between them. No, there will be no gap because the phosphate bond, phosphate group is attached to each other, means they are present next to each other. They are not making any gap in between. Gap cannot be present in cell membrane. It can just create a whole issue if the gap will present, because the cell membrane is the layer which is dividing the cytoplasm and the interstitial fluid. Dividing means they are just a barrier between cytoplasm and interstitial fluid. So there will be no gap. Yes, they will move, they have fluidity, they have everything, but no gap. Everything is clear till now? We have completed the structure of fluid mosaic model. Next time you learn or you listen the word fluid mosaic model, imagine the liquid, the fluid of lipid in which proteins are present. Mosaic of protein in the liquid or the fluid lipid. Any doubt till now? We will start the functions of plasma membrane. Any doubt till now? No doubts. Okay. Just write down the heading functions of cell membrane. We don't have much time left, so we will discuss something. Okay. It's 4:15 already. Today we have just wasted few minutes. Sorry for that. Next time I will not use the laptop. Okay, fine. Function. We have studied this earlier. Remember antigen present on the RBCs? Remember everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Antigen present on RBC. Okay. On the A blood group, which antigen will be present?
Anti-B.
On
Sorry,
the
antigen. Ma'am, could you repeat the question?
which antigen will be present? Think.
A.
Everyone is sure? Fuad, are you sure it's A?
Yeah. Yes.
Of course, it's A. It's A antigen. B will have B antigen. AB will have AB antigen. And what is the antigen of O?
There is no
There is
antigen.
no antigen.
Okay, which was the basic antigen which I told you in the class? Remember the whole story of the antigens? What do you
A.
call this?
H and H.
Very good. The H1, remember the H antigen. Remember the Bombay blood group. Remember you have asked me the Bombay blood group. They don't even have the H antigen. They don't even have this line also. The H antigen, the basic which have to present in all the RBCs, and on that H antigen, the specific blood group antigen is attached. Everyone got confused? Alan, you didn't answer me anything. Why?
No, it's fine. We remember.
Fine. So you remember, right? Now think. The cell membrane. The antigen is present on the cell membrane. Now you can resemble what is the cell membrane. This is the structure of cell membrane. Here are the proteins. Okay, carbohydrates, everything is present, and on them the antigen is present. Antigen is present on the cell membrane. So always remember, they are the receptors. What is the receptor of cell? Receptor means receiving something, okay? Receptor means receiving something. The surface of cell membrane is the receptor. They can receive anything. They have the antigen on them. The first function is they have antigen on them. Just write it down. Functions of cell membrane. The receptor of cells are present on the surface. The first point is the receptor of the cells. The receptor of the cells are present on the surface. Receptor of the cells are present on the surface. I will explain what is the receptor of the cell. Everyone just see here quickly. This is the plasma membrane. I'm not going to draw again that whole phospholipid structure. Just think these are the phospholipid structure. The proteins are present. The integral, the peripheral, glycolipids present, glycoprotein present, cholesterol present. Everything is present. Okay. Now they are saying they are the receptor of cells present on the surface. See here. This type of structure or any structure is present like this. Any structure, okay, that structure is not specific. That structure is specific for the specific antigen which have to attach. Just imagine a blood group having the antigen like this. Okay, so what will happen? They will attach themselves here. The antigen A. Surface receptor. Receptor means receiving. They can receive, an antigen can stick to them. This is the surface receptor. Clear what is surface receptor? Okay, now I have told you about the antigen. Even you know about the antigen. You have also studied about the antigen. Can you tell me what the antigen are made up of? What the antigen are made up of? Antigens are made up of?
Protein.
Okay, fine. What this structure is made up of? The receptor. Okay, fine. What are the antibodies made up of? A big silence. As if I asked you to put atom bomb anywhere. Why? So silence. Everything is made up of protein, my dear. Remember, if body is making something, 90% that will be of proteins. 90%. Glycoprotein. Protein. Everything is made up of protein here. Write it down. The antigens are made up of glycoprotein. Glycoprotein. Surface receptor are the proteins. Antibodies are the proteins. Everything which is made by the body itself is 99% is protein. So antigen is the glycoprotein. Surface receptor, that are the proteins. And antibodies also proteins. Okay, antibody I have given you the extra knowledge. There is no role of antibody in plasma membrane till now. Clear? Clear? This thing is clear? The surface receptor is clear? There is one more function, that is the transportation. Transportation. Quickly tell me what type of transportation will be done by the plasma membrane. Quickly.
Osmosis.
Osmosis. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I will not explain anything. Now we will discuss because only 10 minutes left. Tell me what type of transportation will be done by the plasma membrane?
Passive
Yes.
transportation.
It's a passive, okay. It's a passive, it's a active, right? What is difference between active and passive?
Ma'am, in passive, there is no need of energy for transportation.
Okay.
In active, there is the need of energy for transportation.
Okay, can anyone just give me the example of active transport? Okay, now ma'am, it's enough, okay? Now, ma'am, it's enough. Why are you asking such questions? But that is a very common answer. You know, that's why I asked. It's a sodium potassium pump. Have you heard this word before? Sodium potassium pump? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Greta has heard this word. Alan, what about you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no energy left. Okay, fine. Now I'll stop the class. It's enough. Okay, now we will just take the attendance. No energy. You have more classes. No issues. Okay, now just give me the attendance and you can leave. Okay, Priyadarshini. Okay, you are present. Amil.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave. Anaga.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave. Fuad.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you. You can leave. Erika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Erika, you can leave. Adra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. You can leave. Alan, you can leave.
Yes, ma'am.
Annette.
Present, ma'am.
Oh, so tired. Okay, you can leave. Adarsh.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Adarsh. Good. You can leave. Farhan. Farhan.
Oh, present, ma'am.
Okay, you can leave. Karen. Karen. Umehani.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Umehani, you can leave. Thank you. Lena, you can leave.
Present, ma'am.
Munira, you can leave. Thank
Present,
you.
ma'am.
Alvin,
Present, ma'am.
how are you feeling, Alvin?
Yes, ma'am. Feeling well.
Okay, good. Thank you. You can leave. Reema,
Thank you, ma'am.
Adya,
Present, ma'am.
Greta. Thank you, Greta. You can leave.
Thank
Julia. Julia. Devi, you can leave. Devi,
Present,
thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Siddharth, you can leave. Siddharth.
Present, ma'am.
Jijo.
Thank you, ma'am.
Present,
ma'am.
Thank you, Jijo. You can leave. Johanna.
Present, ma'am.
Thank you. You can leave. Johanna. Bridgetha.
Present, ma'am.
You can leave. Thank you. Sarah.
Present, ma'am.
How are you, Sarah?
I'm fine.
Okay, good, Sarah. Thank you. You can leave. Trevor, you can leave. Just see the videos, okay? Thank you. Ryan. Gorika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, students. You can leave.